Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing good. In this video, we will discuss very simple and easy remedy for acne-free face, and this will be helpful to remove the dark spots too. 85% of the teenagers face this problem. Reasons of acne could be either bacteria or hormonal imbalance. Here is simple remedy to get rid of this problem. The first ingredient which is required is turmeric because it is having antiseptic and antibacterial properties. It will stop the growth of acne causing bacteria. Take 2 tablespoons of turmeric and roast it till the color change. Our second ingredient is milk. It acts as a natural cleanser. It reduces the inflammation and also help to treat acne. Milk contains fats and proteins, so it nourish and moisturize your skin. Milk also help to smoothen and soften your skin. What you need to do is you have to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of raw milk in the roasted turmeric to get a creamy paste. The third powerful ingredient is lemon that will be helpful to remove the dead skin cells. It is also having antibacterial and antifungal properties. It helps to fight with the acne and blemishes, and also vitamin C in the lemon is a game changer in improving the quality of your skin. It will help to lighten the dark spots. You can also add honey that will give extra moisture to your skin. Apply this mask on face and let it rest for 25 to 30 minutes. You have to apply it twice or thrice in a week to get good results. Give it a try and let me know in the comment section about results. I hope you will like the video. Thank you so much. Subscribe to this channel for more videos.